National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties: Kennebec, Waldo, Knox, Franklin, Somerset, Lincoln, Saginaw and Androscoggin. A severe thunderstorm, capable of producing a tornado, was seen across the mentioned counties. Stay indoors and do not go outside for any reason. Lightning strikes are unpredictable at the moment. The National Weather Service has confirmed that this storm will likely form a tornado right near Augusta, Maine. Remain indoors, and remain away from windows. Flying debris may be deadly to those who are not in shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Stay tuned for more information on this situation. Remain tuned to National Weather Service for more updates.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Weather Service. A large and very dangerous tornado was on the ground, right near Augusta, moving east at 50 miles per hour wind. Massive damage to homes, power lines, and trees has been reported outside of downtown Augusta. Major damage and debris has been reported in 95 highway, right close to exit 109. This is a very dangerous situation and the appropriate action should be taken seriously. All residents who are right near in the tornado path are strongly urged to seek an underground shelter immediately. Stay tuned for more information on this life-threatening situation.